In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media links to Wix website. By the end, you'll have clean, clickable icons that guide visitors straight to your profiles, helping you grow engagement across platforms. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. Make sure you're on the page where you want your social icons to appear. You can add them to a specific section or place them in a global area like the header or footer if you want the icons to show on every page. On the left side of the editor, click the Add button. This is your element library, where you'll find everything from text and images to galleries and, in our case, social elements. In the Add panel, look for the social section and click it. This opens a gallery of ready-made social bars and icon sets. If you don't see it right away, scroll down the list of categories until you find social. Clicking it will reveal different designs you can use right away. Choose a style that matches your brand. You'll see options like simple monochrome icons, colorful badges, rounded or square shapes, and compact social bars. Think about where these icons will live. A slim, horizontal bar often works great in a footer, while a minimal row of icons can suit a header or contact section. Drag your chosen style onto the page and drop it where you want it. Use the alignment guides to snap it into place and resize the element if needed so it fits your template spacing. If you're placing it in the header or footer, be mindful of how it looks on different screen widths. It's a good idea to check the mobile view later and fine-tune size and spacing so the icons remain tappable without overwhelming the layout. Now add your links. Double-click the social icons you just placed. A settings panel will open on the right, showing the links assigned to each button. Replace any placeholders with your actual profile URLs using the full address, including HTTPS. You can remove platforms you don't use and add new ones, so the set reflects only the channels that matter. For deeper control, click the three small dots next to each item in that panel. Here you can reorder icons, change which platforms appear, and adjust options like opening links in a new tab for a smoother browsing experience. You can also refine design details so the icons match your site's color scheme and accessibility needs. That's it. Position, style, link, and refine, then save your work. Your Wix site now showcases your social presence clearly and professionally.